Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction and Bitcoin forecast, BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in weekly and daily, because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. Just click at more and you're going to find the description of that video. In it you're going to find the link to our VIP Discord and our VIP Telegram. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it's finished, which is that one here, that red one here, as you see it. Look at it here, what it gave us here. Give us here a big inverted pin bar here. That one we can say is bullish and we can say is bearish, because that one we need a confirmation. Yes, it's got big pushing from the top, but a lot of the time that a sign is going to reverse, like how it happened here, as you see it here. That one here is an inverted hammer. But now what should we do? We need to wait in the confirmation. We need a green candle here to tell us the market it will reverse up. Till now there is nothing here in the weekly, and you remember what else we said before. Here in the weekly we break that 200 moving average down, so that one is very bad sign here. Another thing here, people will be in us here from last week. They remember that top of that wage here we break here. Now we go back to test it here. Now either from here the market is going to go more higher and to break that last high here, or the market from here is going to break inside and is going to give us a fake breakout. But here down, as you see it, that one here, that the long term trend, guys. So you need to be focused about those things. Also we analyze for you every week, every day. So now here, for those ones, they are long term investors. You don't care about all those things. Me, I told you in the last week, I got here in the tail of the candle here, I got a pending order. I can give you exactly the number here in my broker. Is it at 24,751.10? That's where I got pending order. I got another pending order here at that level here of 22,033. Another one here at 19,566, and the last one I got it here at 16,348. I don't think so it's going to fall down till down here, but not a part of the game. So those ones the levels where I got pending orders. First one I got it here at that level here down. Second one here, third one here at that level, and people they been with me, they know me I buy from the 50, the 100 and the 200. Yeah, no, I'm still waiting, and that week that one here will pass. I just bought from here by that red candle here, as you see it. When it fall here down, I buy from there, because me personally I believe in Bitcoin very close to the major jump, and me I've been telling you that all the time. September and August, they're always being red months, and that's what the chart they telling you. Now what shall we do? We don't know exactly, guys, because till now the Bitcoin here, as you see, we got here that neckline of that double top here, very clear double top here in the weekly. Now the candle, if it's breaking down here, that's when the market is going to fall down, and to know exactly the take profit for that one, you make just like that. If it's breaking, it's going to fall down till the tail of that candle here. That one here exactly. Let me tell it to you the level. Is it at 19,494? That if we break in here, the neckline here, if a candle came and break in here, we are going to go here to that 19k. But if the Bitcoin go back from here, then maybe to give us here a triple top or to break for us that last high, because it might to give us here another scenario. It might the Bitcoin to give us here a flag like that, as you see it, and that flag is going to come from down. It might that one is just a continuation pattern here, and the Bitcoin is going to break here, and we are going to go more higher to 60k. So all those scenarios you need to put it aside. So now you got two options here in the weekly. If you break here, when you go into 60k, if we break down here, also we are going to down here to 19k, guys. I think picture is too clear here in the weekly. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there. The coming news for all the week, guys, as you see it, Monday we got a holiday in USA, the Labor Day. Then Tuesday, what we got interest rate decision for the Aussie or Australia. Then Wednesday we got ISM non-manufacturing and ISM non-manufacturing. So those ones they will not got a big impact to the market. Thursday initial jobless claim, crude oil and the GDP for Japan. Even those ones it will not affect a lot the market. Plus in Friday we got CPI data or inflation data of Germany. That one it might affect the market because Germany is the most powerful country in all Europe. I'm talking here economical, I'm not talking about weapons and those things. Germany is the most powerful country in all Europe. So that one, the CPI data of them, it might affect the market. So you need to be focused about those things. And here, our friend, the table of us we follow it every day. As you see it, guys, that one here, we started the week as every time the SP green and the Nasdaq red, but till now there is nothing here. Only thing us we focused about is that one here, is the VIX. The VIX was still below than the level of scarcity. Also we have 13 here. Man, there is nothing to be worried. Even if we're breaking down, it will not be a major dump here on the stock market. By the way, for the stock market, also we got another channel, his name Index Insider. You can find it here or just search for it in YouTube and you're going to find it. That channel we analyzing it, the SP 500, the Nasdaq and the dollar index as you see it. So if you want to watch our analysis, go there and watch our analysis for the dollar index. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. We still for long term, so let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, we finish a green day today. But that green day we finish today, it gives us here something. What can we say? It's not nice. Let me show it to you. Our pictures get more clear to you. As you see it, if we come here and we zoom in, we see there is a lot of people, they want the Bitcoin to fall down. But buyers, they still buying and people, they still accumulating. That the good things. And as you see those tails down here, look at them. Very, very clear tails here. What that telling you? Man, people, they still accumulating from those levels here. So that's very, very, very good. But there is no one buying now and no one selling. That the daily material now. So here in the daily, we don't got nothing yet. Me, I tell it to you, for long term, also still more deep. And that deep is going to be the last deep before the halving. I told you we got here, that price action here in the daily. That one here, you can make it like that. As you see it, how I do it me. Like that. So till now, also we still waiting. Either to break here for us to enter long. It's breaking down here. Also we're going to wait until the dip. Then we're going to buy again. Till the market give us another price action. So till now here in the daily there is nothing. We need to wait and more. Till the right time. Till the market tell us all you need to enter. Also now we're still below in the 200 moving average. That means the market is going to fall down more, guys. I explained all those things yesterday in yesterday's video. So you can go back and watch it if you want. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, us today we enter along small time frames. Tell here, then me I tell people they follow me to protect themselves. Because here in the 4 hours, the market give me here in that level a big pin bar as you see it. And that one is make me worried. That's why me I told them to protect themselves. Now here for swing trading, there is nothing. I told you we got here that triangle like that as you see it, and me I show you how to draw those squares. I don't draw here only one level because that one is a square here, so you need to be focused about it. That one is not the daily, guys. If it's breaking here, you can enter long. If it's breaking down here, you can enter short, because till now you are below in the 200 moving average, so there is nothing yet. You need to wait until the right time here in the 4 hours. So for swing traders, the market is going to fall down more than that. The only thing we're still holding it is that one here, but now there is no big volume here. Now let's wait in if the market is going to give us here a price action in that zone here, because that zone here, it's like a distribution level here. We need to wait it till the right time. Where is the market is going to go exactly? Either from here to go back up, or from here it will fall down again. So till now as we still waiting. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, I told you, it touch here the overbought area. As we are down here, where is the bears they controlling, that man. As we are not in an uptrend, as we still in a downtrend. Me, I told you, as we are not going to enter all this if it touch here the oversold area. Until now, as we still waiting, it's going to touch it soon or no. Till now there is nothing here. As we still waiting, guys, nothing new here. And here I've been talking with you. I told you, look at it by your eye. You explain those things in front of you. Let me show it to you clear for pictures to get more clear to you. I take it off those lines like that. Look with me here. You from that zone here, make it like that. That one here is a wall. You see it or no? That one is a wall. Over here, the bulls they controlling, and down here, the bears they controlling. Where that indicator is preferred to stay a lot. Go now the comment and write where without cheating, please. You done it? Let's continue. That indicator here, it's preferred to stay where is the bears they controlling. There is not a lot of bulls in the market. Majority of the people they thinking the Bitcoin there is more deep. That's what his name sentiment of the market. The sentiment of the market is telling us we still in a downtrend. Nothing was changed, guys. So everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, it's not yet touch here the oversold area. So technically us we still in a downtrend. I tell it to you. Maybe it's going to break that level here. As you see it, that one here where we are now, the 25k. So let's see if it's going to hold and we go back up to 27 or something, or we're going to break down here and we're going to go to the 20k. So till now everything's still looking the same. Nothing was changed, guys. Bitcoin when it's falling, it doesn't fall down by power like how when is it in the bull. That's why me I told you when you saw Bitcoin it's falling that like that, try to buy as much as you can of Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. You smash the like button. You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other and the other and the other. And yesterday I give you a challenge to make that video pass to reach to 90 likes. You try, we will make it to reach to 50. Even today I'm going to give you a challenge, guys. We want that video, that one here, to reach to 90 likes. I know you can do it, so please go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here, guys, I told you we got here a head and shoulder here like that. You can find it even in the thumbnail of the video. It was like that. That's the neckline here. It's getting broke here in that place here. Also we enter along. We reach here before the candle to fall down like that here in that peak here, that one here as you see it. Me, I told the people they are in our Telegram and in our Discord. I told them when we reach to 26,100, I told them protect yourself. Also we enter from down here from 25,800 I think till 26,100. We make nice profit. Top loss of us it was here. Yes, the first take profit of us it was here, but the market there is no power, so us we wait until now. Now at that time here, what you got here in front of you. Here we got, look with me here what I'm going to do. You see it? And here in the top, to those tails like that, you got a very clear triangle here. That triangle, if it's getting broke here, enter short. If it's getting broke here, enter long. Yes or no? It's our indicator. What it's saying, guys. Our indicator, it's showing to us as we got here a divergence here now. You see it or no? Now, if that one breaking down here, also we're going to enter short. That's it. That's what me I'm waiting now. If it's breaking down here, I'm going to enter a short, guys. So everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. And please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.